Yan o, yun o,
Sasayaw.
Next mo. Iba yung lasa ng Red Rose dito, ano lang, matabang. Hindi katulad doon sa akin.
Ganun ba?
Hindi,
Kasi
kasi dati, ito,
uptown girl, she's been looking for an uptown world. I waited bought it for the backstreet guys. And then a moment then I told her why I'm gonna try for an uptown girl. She's a living in a waxy world. And I thought you wanted back that chain. And then the reason for an uptown man, it's what I am. And when she know what she wants from her time, and when she wake up and say that to my eye, she say I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's a little bit of white world.
she's getting shut of her hopeless toys.
A uptown boy, that's what I adore. Yeah, whoa, whoa, uptown girl,
You know it, I can hope for it.
does she don't understand that why I gotta be right there. And when she walking, she talking from my eye. And when she know what she's want from her tie, with her I'm not so tough, just because I'm in love with an uptown girl.
Bakit tumahimik ka na?
Oh, uptown man, that's what I am.
Ano, mapait?
Uptown girl, my uptown girl, knows I'm in love with an uptown girl. My uptown girl knows I'm in love with an uptown girl. My uptown girl, you know I'm in love with an uptown girl. My uptown girl, you know I'm in love with an uptown girl.
ah,
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Ikot-ikot naman daw muna natin.
Akong mauna dyan.